EV3 again. In this video, I will teach you how to move the robot the exact distance you want to. Watch. Stop here! No, just kidding, that's not how it works. In order to understand the distance, we need to learn circle geometry first because, well, the wheels are circles. Let's use the eyeball method first because that's an important method to learn. The diameter of this wheel looks to be about 2 inches. The distance it will go in one rotation is the distance it is around the wheel, which is also called the circumference. The circumference is roughly 3 times the diameter. Since we have guesstimated the diameter to be about 2 inches, then the circumference must be about 6 inches. Therefore, the wheel will travel approximately 6 inches in one rotation. Now guesstimating in the metric system for the rest of the world, the diameter I'm guessing would be about 5 centimeters, and circumference would be about 15 centimeters. Now let's read what the wheel said. It says the diameter is 56 millimeters. Now let's do the exact calculation using the exact diameter. Graph of the wheel. The diameter is exactly 56 millimeters. We need to find out the circumference, which is the distance round to round. In order to get the exact circumference, we need to know that we don't multiply the diameter by 3. We multiply it by a number a bit larger than 3. 3.14159265359. Even though pi has an infinite number of decimal places, 4 or 5 decimal places is good enough for us. So we find the circumference to be 17.6 centimeters, which for people who live in America are 6.93 inches. Yay, America! Now let's calculate how many degrees we have to rotate the wheel in order to go 1 centimeter, and then multiply it by 10 to figure out how many degrees you have to turn to go to 10 centimeters. Once you do the calculation, the answer will be about 204.45 degrees.
Now I want you guys to experiment creating this program. First, create a new program. You can name it distance. Then go to the green action category. Drag move tank block and attach it to start block. In the move tank block, change left and right motor power to 15 each. Change the setting to rotate a specific number of degrees. Then change the degrees to 204.54. Now save the project. Then download it to EV3 and run it.
Now we're going to test it. I'll put a post-it note at the center of the wheel axle. Let's measure. It is exactly 10 centimeters.
Try making your own block called Move Distance as I show here. You can go to Tools and select My Block Builder. After you have created your own block to match the screen exactly, you can use this block to move exactly the number of centimeters you want to move. If you can't figure out how to build your own block, don't worry. We will do it together next time.
Congratulations! Now you know how to move it the exact distance you want to. In the next video, I will show you how to turn it. But for now, TTYL and bye. See you later!